We're back on the contact page, and this time what we're going to do is create a little contact form. We're interested in putting it just above our map and just below our contact directions. So we're going to create a little bit of space with carriage return. We get our flashing cursor, and we're going to go to the Add Contact Form button beside the Add Media button. Now, if you are sitting there at your computer and you're saying, but Jason, I don't have an Add Contact Form button beside the Add Media button, well, not to worry. You just have to install Jetpack, and we have a video in this series on how to do that. So just throw the brakes on and install Jetpack, and then meet us back here, and we'll continue. For those of you who have an Add Contact Form button, click the Add Contact Form button. We have a very nice dialog box that comes up, and we have a basic contact form already made for us. Looks fantastic. If we want to reorganize it, we can just click on Move and move one of the fields up and down. We might want to put comment before email. I can't imagine why, but put email up at the top. So these are some of the things you can do. If you click right beside a particular field, you can delete it entirely. If you want to add a new field that isn't included here, and you probably do, I would say address. I'm going to say, yeah, it'll be a text field. So I'll say save. So there it is down at the bottom. I want it further up though, so I'm going to click on Move. And I would also like them to tell me what province they're in. So save. There it is. Looks good. And add a new field. Let's get postal code. Code/zip. Save. Great. Some of the other neat things you can do. We have a checkbox field if you want to say phone. So what I'll do is make this little. If you want to set up a series of checkboxes to indicate some user preference, we can put a little. So these are the basics of setting up a form on your WordPress site. No. So now that we've created the form, what we're going to do is add it to our post. So we're going to click this button at the bottom that says add this form to my post. And it dumps a whole bunch of shortcode information into the page that we're editing. If we decide that we want to edit this, of course we don't want to edit it here because it's confusing, we just click on our Add Contact Form and it automatically detects the shortcode that we've saved to the page, and we can reorganize it if we want. We can change our labels and save, and click add this form to our post, and it will overwrite the old one. Let's find out what that's going to look like. We'll hit update, and once it's saved, and there is our basic contact form. Well, this one's a little bit more than basic. But what happens when you click submit? You may well be asking. Well, let's go back in and edit our form so we can specify where we want the information to go. And we're going to give it an email address. So email notifications. Enter your email address. Say jason@notme.net. Subject, contact from the website. I'm going to say save and go back to Form Builder. Add this form to our post. And that's all there is to it.